Hey guys, Clayton here, lightsatwholesale.com. Wanted to introduce you to a handful of our clips as it relates to a commercial type setting or commercial install. So one that we're going to talk about is our light clip that we have on our website at lightsatwholesale.com. This is a C9 clip, and then this is the light clip base or the light clip strip. It has self-adhesive tape on the bottom. You take that off, place it on your surface where you want the light to rest, and then you just snap them together. To take them apart, really quite simple. Just a little bit of a twist. That's the light clip. Now we'll talk about the parapet clip and the shingle tab. The parapet clip at the bottom, you can put adhesive, so that's how you would adhere it to a surface, or you can use up the two holes with some screws. And now you take a shingle tab and you actually slide them together. Now they pair up nicely for a commercial type install. And then the last one is our magnetic light clip, that this actually can sit in two positions. You can have it where the light rests in there like my finger, or you can actually place the light in so that the light faces up.